Oh shit, sorry. It's going on everybody. How you guys doing out there? Welcome Moon, David, B, Chris, Crypto House in the house. Yeah, dude. Whew. If we break 3K, it's over. I'm looking at some of my charts right here. What I was saying is that we have not gone this deep since 2018. Like had a day like today. I think this is the last big drop we had that was something like that, and then you'd have to go back to December 2017 to find something this horrific. I mean, absolutely horrific. 4,700 and still falling here. Uh, when you get this fall, I mean, look at here. This is last couple times we've crashed this hard and this deep. I mean, but it can just kind of keep going. Remember, this was the big crash that we called. My God. Remember that November 18? Remember we were calling this big dump saying we're going deeper, deeper, deeper. But this is nothing compared to this. I mean, without some kind of a massive FU wick here, this is, I don't even know. I mean, I just don't know. We're definitely on a lot of support on a lot of the bigger, higher time frames. Below support. I'm sorry. Did I say support? Below support. So you see the white line here on my Gauss charts. I mean, this is just, that's the end, right? And most, in fact, pretty much all of the, this is like, you get down, this is insane to be down here this deep. Like, insane to be down here this deep. Jesus Christ, guys. Let me take my other charts here. I'm going to see my weekly. That worked. Looks like a massive head and shoulders. That was... Jesus Christ. Hold on a second. No. Wow, peaked out for that little bull moment, crashed all the way down. And we still have, this just says we still have room to go to find how low this has gone in the past. Look at that big double bottom right there, all the way back in 2014. Double bottom right there when we found Baby Bull Jesus. And there's still room to go here to find that. Right? Look at the double bottom there, double bottom there. All right, sorry everybody, getting back over my thing. It's all going on, Chris, Mr. Fizzy, Yo Nizzy, how you doing, brother? That Jared, what's going on, man? Eric, hey Hassan, yes, everything's going well. Can you guys all hear me? Yes, all gaps are freaking filled. Holy cow, peoples, like holy cow, wow, like. That head and shoulders right there, unbelievable, right? This head and shoulders was just ridiculous. What a call on that head and shoulders, though. Isn't that beautiful? Calling that head and shoulders was epic. We're at 45. Oh my God, dude, we just keep plummeting. Free fall, 45.31. Yeah, I think the charts are just like freaking fell off. All right, first of all, is anybody in the house from Italy? Do we have anybody in here from Italy? Any members at all? Also, do you guys mind if I go public with this stream? Are you guys okay with that? The next support is 2,700. Next support, everybody's 2,700. Uh, 28. Yeah, 28. 2800. There's the next support right there. Jesus, I never thought we'd get down like this low. Not like this. I just didn't think we'd get down there like this. Frankie, where are you from, buddy? Where are you from? And does anybody have any updates on there's so many indicators that are just gone. All right. Jared, yeah. Oh, good for Canada. Good for Canada. Good for them. Where is that? I want that. Where's that double bottom chart at? There it is. All right. Yeah, so here on the West Coast, they just banned any gatherings under over 250 people also. Yeah, in Florida, they have not started the banning yet. Let me see if I can get Until or somebody on the line here. Hold on a second. Yeah, you know what? I was gonna check the. You know who else? I was talking to Chone earlier, and he'd said that. Let's see if we can call his ass. Oh shit! Somebody called me from fucking Mexico. It's crazy. Yeah, I know, dude. Braxton, hilarious. I mean, dude, the coronavirus people go crazy for. A million gang shootings in Chicago, not a word. And guess where freaking Jonas is? Guess where Jonas is? He's in Florida. He was supposed to meet me.
Reached Adam.
He was supposed to meet me. He's there now. Hold on a second. All right. All right. Give me a second, peeps. I'm going to put out a tweet. Oh, you know what? I'll find bleeding. All right. All right, give me a second, everybody. Oh my God, Link. Poor Link. Yeah, Link is in the support well right now. Link is at the support line right there. Linky, no want to lose the support line. Linky's right into the support area. That's actually, I can make that box a little bit bigger right in there. But there's the support area for Link. All right, let's give people a second to join. No, listen, you don't need a big government to scare me. I'm married, man. My wife will do that. Yeah, I believe that quarantining people also is not. Now here's the thing with quarantining people, right? If you're going to quarantine people, the the thing you got to remember is that if you're going to quarantine people, as long as we can buy time and quarantine people until we have a vaccine, then it works. That's the whole goal right now. The goal is you quarantine everybody, and you quarantine everybody, and then you're able to. Hold on a second, I'm popping out this chat. I actually, hold on. I'm trying to drop this chat back in here. Pop out chat. There we go. Let's see responses. The idea is you want to quarantine people until you've developed a vaccine. I've been messaging with like our I very rarely use private messages, DMs. I don't DM a lot just because I have so many messages. But dude, my DMs, I had to start looking at them. People are just going shit nuts. What's going on, Knox? How you doing? Oh, dude, yeah, that crazy wick to like a penny. Somebody oopsie oops and slipped on their finger. Dude, Knox, you're hilarious. Knox says it isn't a bear market, it's a gorilla market. That's so funny. Yeah, so what I was trying to say on that point is that it takes time for a vaccine to be created. It does. And really what takes the time is to go through all the testing and the human trials and so on and so forth, and all the red tape of most governments. I know that they're I know that right now a lot of them are everybody's trying to push through the red tape so that we can get we can get this vaccine. Some rumors I heard today, so I'll put that up. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, so let me find this. I can put that up. Some rumors from some supposedly, allegedly high level people. We'll start right here. Some rumors from some governmental people is that they are forcing the timeline for a vaccine and trying to get it released in August, right, of 2020. So that was one of the rumors I heard today, and I do know people directly who work for the FDA, so I do have actual inside legitimate FDA people who I do know and have been in touch with. They get a lot better information than the average person does. So, and they know a lot more that's going on with the testing. So what they're telling me is that they're trying to push for a release date in August. And once again, that's exactly what that does. It pushes us gets us into the warmer weather. And I think that's really what the most critical thing is getting us into the warmer weather where you have less people who are walking around carrying the common cold, which is, not, well, I mean, it is deadly, but not as scary, right? Not as scary. And then people can, you don't have as many people walking around hacking up and coughing and just naturally running a cold, which automatically brings down your immune system, right? Hey, Malik, how you doing, brother? Malik in the house. Yes, so YRSA communications, yes. So, all right, let's see, where are we at today? We're March. I mean, we're March, April, May, June, July. Yep, August. So that does make sense. So I was told August is when they're trying to. Braxton says China released a bio. Oh, dude, seriously, I've heard that. I've heard that. Dude, honestly, dude, if you look at it this way, dude, Trump wanted to get back at China for all the trade imbalances, and I guess China kind of got back at Trump, right? Whew. I mean, holy bejesus. Yeah. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I just messaged bleeding too. Sorry, don't want to show you guys my DMs with other people, other famous crypto people. All right. When the dump stops, many funds from traditional markets will flow into BC before having to go. I still am of what Alex is saying right there. So I still believe what Alex is saying. I still believe that as we get closer to the halving, I do believe we will have some kind of a run up. I still think we're going to have a run up. As mentioned before yesterday with the members in the members area, I said I think we can get at least a 2,000 point run up, which is great. I mean, a 2,000 point run up is huge right now, right? I know, dude, hard to get. I did not do this. I swear. I was just looking for a little bitty head and shoulders play. That was kind of my thing. The head and shoulders play was kind of my thing. I was like, oh, look, this is gonna make a nice little head and shoulders here. Yeah, well, this just went a lot more than a nice little damn head and shoulders. I actually was hoping we'd get some kind of a little bounce in the 7K area before pulling down, but I mean, I have been saying this for a long time that I knew we were gonna go down. Right, there's the little head and shoulders poppy, right? I mean, I knew we were gonna do this, but I've already told people that we were going back to the 6 to 5,500, but this a little aggressive, a little aggressive. right? This is a little aggressive right here. A little aggressive. Hydra wants to know, what indicators do I use? Here you go, buddy, right here. This I use the Gauss trend line. And if you guys are interested in it, it's actually a paid one, and it's from Tussin Picks. So this is the one I use. I use the Tussin Picks one. It's my Gauss line. I'll drop this in for the members one more time. You got to pay for this. You do get a discount if you tell them you're in the group. So I don't think I can drop an image. Gauss. There you go. I just dropped it in the members chat also. All right. All right. Hydro, I just, you got that, buddy? By Tussin Picks. It's the Gauss trend line by Tussin Picks. Yeah, and I do have a whole thing where all my stuff is over here. It's in the Learning Center, though. It is. It is. Where is it? Where is my stuff? Ah, there it is. So here's all the videos to all my stuff. This shows you how to use all my indicators. So these are all my indicators right here. It's in the Vamp Educational Dump. Zat is veritizat. You know, and I have to say that a lot of this isn't just, what's going on? Hey, nice. Yep. What's going on? Bleeding whenever you're ready, man. Dude, shoot. I hate Zoom. I hate Zoom. Oh, shit, it's tech. Oh, my God, dude. Bleeding, let me know if you have a chance to come on over, man. Shoot me a message, though, on Discord. I'm going to be definitely doing a couple live streams tonight. Oh, dude. Tech, you know I love you, my brother. I saw your messages. I haven't had a chance to read them. Look, Tech, I haven't even read your messages yet. I haven't clicked on it yet to read them. They're there. Yeah, if I could use Zoom, which I freaking hate Zoom, I would come over there. I think you can do a Zoom thing, right? Ah, fuck, dude, Tech. God damn. Dude, I'm sorry, man. Fuck. Dude, this is crazy. I mean, I told you it was going to go back to 5,500, Tech. I told you, man. I told you. Ow. Bleeding says he likes Zoom because he can use it for Pornhub. You know, listen, just because your young hot wife is, she's okay with that. Mine, no, not so much. I got to get that special lens too. Makes everything look bigger. All right. Let me just kind of run through the charts right now. Because everything is falling off the charts at this point. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to go down here. I mean, the 1 week chart. Jesus Lordius. Wow. I can't believe that 5,700 is now resistance. So basically we have 5,700 as resistance right now. That's just crazy. $4,400. We went all the way down to 4,400. Oh, the 3 days on a 9. That's good. Oh man, I love Daniel Braxton. I love Daniel. I know a lot of people were going long too. You know, I know a lot of the groups were going long also. So it wasn't just Daniel. It was a lot of people were going long. But 8,900 is a wee bit high to go long on, especially with that beautiful head and shoulders setup. Like that was just too sweet of a signal. Turn off punter. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Just turn the computer off and don't look. Go watch a movie or something, you know? Just go watch a movie. That's what I would do. Just go watch myself a nice movie, relax a little. I mean, Jesus Lord, double topped on the longs right there, double bottomed on the shorts. And I'm not going to say this played out absolutely perfectly, but that was wrong. 6,500 was not super support, but this played out pretty, a little aggressive. It's the head and shoulders that played out really, but this still played out almost exactly like this old historical pattern over here. What happened with Peter Schiff? You know what oh fuck, and a bear cross. There it is. Just like it told us it was gonna do. Fuck, look at it. And you know what? It actually made a pretty nice like bear triangle up there too. I mean, this played out freaking perfect right there. Like this played out perfect. It's kind of, I mean, you know. Wow, look at, I mean, like this little area right here is what really needed to hold. Let me go find that area real quick. Let's go find this little area right here, okay? Let's zoom in on this. Where did this break last time? Oh, it broke. No, we broke high. Oh, wow. Almost the same freaking point. Actually got rejected a little bit during, right? That died before. Well, I mean, it teasered before, so it's kind of on the same lines. right? There was that fake pump out, right? There was the fake pump out, there was the fake pump out, and that was it, right? Look at that. Golly, just like it did. What's going on, Tech? 2% daily return. God damn. So look, we're actually in some support areas over here-ish. Let me see here. Give me a second, then I will do a full little video. The volume is really high for this month already, too. I want to get this dialed in right here. Shit, see, because it broke that triangle right there. Pornhub gave premium for free in Italy. That's awesome. Hey, Luca, dude, can I please ask how things are going in Italy? And Alex, I will get to your question, buddy. I do believe there was a gap at 3,800. Yes, I do believe, Ed, that there's a gap at 3,800. I do tell you what, though, I am excited. I am really excited for opportunities over here in world markets, man. We just went all the way back to 2017 levels, right? And this little consolidation pull, like a lot of, look, there was a bunch of buying right in here, and then it just went crazy. I mean, like, I would like to see us get below 19,000. I mean, I'd love to see us get below. I mean, I would love to see us go back into this area right here, right? Jesus, let's move this. I'm going to do world charts are such a mess. I mean, this is where I would want to see us. Oop, slow internet, slow internet. This is all old stuff. Reduce this. All right. So on the world stage, I really want to see this run back to here. Right? section. Okay, sorry. A little sidetrack there. Let me get all, I just want to get all my charts ready, peoples, and then I will go at it. God damn, that was an ugly daily candle. 3,000 points. I like the 3-day. I like the 3-day on the 9. Man, when you got to go in and adjust your charts this much, it was an ugly day. Look at Tether. Tether had some wild, look at the wild fluctuations on Tether. People were running in and out of Tether like crazy. I mean, these are pretty much useless. And we're going to have an ugly bear cross too coming up here. Another one. I haven't really been playing the bear cross lately. Fuck. Maybe a little support right there. Yeah, I agree with that. KN. Dude, I agree, buddy. Blood is when you buy, man. Blood is when you buy. Yeah, there's that gap right there. Yes, I do feel it is an opportunity. I love this kind of shit, dude. This is like, this is definitely the good time. These are definitely the good times right here. So when there's blood on the streets, this is when you buy. Okay. Yes, I 100% agree with that. And man, airline stocks getting wrecked. Airline stocks. Dude, I love airline stocks. I like airline. I like airlines. Clean. Like, man, that's one that just is getting wrecked. Oh, my buddy's texting. Actually, one of my employees is texting me. He sent me a picture of a super hot girl. I said, you're not allowed to get married. Unless she has the antidote. Um, damn, Malik. God damn. Matt says any historic levels to watch for. Dude, I've been trying to grab a bag. Dude, I've been trying. I've had little orders in, spot orders, trying to catch with 200 point stop losses just at spot. Freaking not risking anymore, risking $1,000 bags at a time. And that's all I've been doing. And I haven't been able to catch anything. I haven't been able to catch shit. I mean, I don't know. We're just at a whole new level here of holy shit. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna tell you try to sugarcoat this. This is not what crypto wants right here. But yes, I do. I think as we get closer to the halving, I'm still gonna stick with that. The closer we get to the halving, I think we're gonna have a 2,000 point run, and I will reiterate that one more time. Right? I think April Did that adhere here? I don't even think that adhered me. There we go. Now I got the here. Oh, shit. Dart's on. Hold on. That's right. Who's Q? Who's Q? Omatic. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Don't look at that. Yeah, it's way past that. Seems like we're just a little off that, but pretty damn close. Alex. Alright, here. Let's see if we can find the last two saves. I'm trying to find some save spots here. Trying to find some safe spaces. Alright, so we got a little save me catch zone that's coming that's really close right here. Hey, Darth, what are you doing, man? I don't see you up there. Oh, there he is. Sorry, I have to scoot this over because he sends me, like, you know, butt pictures, kind of stuff like that. Hey, go ahead. You want me to call you in? I'll call you in. Still setting up my charts. See if I can call his ass in. What's going on? Oh, can you hear me? Dude, you are the worst about your damn headset. Seriously, man, this guy. It's your computer. You gotta hit pause in your computer. Seriously, this guy can't buy a freaking headset. Yeah, can everybody hear him? Hello? I can hear you fine. Say something. Oh, and we lost it. Seriously, the guy, great at making babies, not so much at everything else. Yeah, I can kind of hear you. Hey, can you guys hear him? Can you hear him? No, they can't hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. Hold on a second. Yeah, let me redo this. Yeah, let me do this. Hold on. All right, let me do this. Okay, say something now. I can kind of see you. I can't. All right, let me see if I get this. Why isn't this thing moving? Yeah, you should come through my you should come through my desktop audio. Why are you not coming through my desktop audio? That's what I'm doing. No, desktop's not muted. It's unmuted. I need to delete it and remake it though. How do I delete it and remake it? Oh, got it. Okay, hold on a second.
On the live stream.
Dude, how'd I get 2 thumbs down?
These people are cunts.
Alright, I got you. You're there. Guys, can you hear him?
Can you hear me? Let's make sure it's working. I gotta take a minute. I'll be right back. But at least if it's working, you know that we could just. All right,
Yeah,
we're good to go. Okay, so I will be back in a few minutes. Just starting to do your thing, and
yeah, I'm still trying to set up all my damn charts. Still trying to set up all my charts.
Get everything set up. I'll be back in a few. Be back in a few minutes.
Yep.
All right.
All right, peeps. I'm almost done setting up my charts. He's there. Damn. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. Okay, hilarious. I ordered pizza. I think my pizza came and then it left without me. I think my pizza came and left without me. Oh shit. We're calling the pizza guy. That's hilarious. All right. Okay, I'm here. Sorry, guys. All right, hold on. Orlando, what's going on, buddy? Yeah, the order books do look like shit. $2,800. 2,800. Oh, there's the pizza guy. Hold on. Pizza! Okay, I have my pizza. I got it. All right, I'm almost ready. I swear I'm almost ready. All right. All right, I'm almost ready. Okay. Yeah, it's dumping again. All right. Okay, you ready for live? Ready? I'm ready. I'm ready to do the show. I'm ready to do the show. Okay, hold on, hold on. Sorry it took so long to get all my charts ready, but I'm ready. You guys ready? Let's do this. Hey, welcome everybody. How you guys all doing out there today? Wow, I hope you're all surviving. Holy cow, what a absolute bloodbath, right? Not only in the world markets, but in crypto. Jesus Lord. Unbelievable. It just keeps going, right? Just keeps going. Holy cow. So, you want the good news or the bad news, right? The good news is I'm alive, I'm healthy, I'm doing great, right? So with that being said, yeah, that's the good news. The bad news is holy cow. Wow. What a couple days of just panic and mayhem. And I want you to know that, of probably all of the, traders out there, I mean, I have taken this whole coronavirus thing very, very seriously, right? We've taken this very, very seriously. There's March 3rd. There we were monitoring this February 22nd with with the CDC, right? Here we are, February 12th, right? When I was just saying, wow, dude, this is right. We need an antivirus to ASAP, right? Because this is just not normal. And, I go on to say in my notes here that, if we cannot get things under control, that we're just done. We're just absolutely done. And, with that being, there's just, this is exactly what we kind of have expected. This is a bunch of the stuff that we had been talking about previously in there, just saying that, the markets are just, it's just going to get absolutely wrecked, right? And we've been really, really monitoring this very seriously. And here we are today. With not only the crypto markets, but with all of the world markets plummeting. We had the Dow Jones plummeted 2,300 points today. And, this is kind of the funny thing about this right here. We've seen here in America as, China kind of has gone through it. Italy's getting the brunt of it right now. And it really hasn't been brought home to us here in America until we had some NBA players get it and they canceled the NBA season. And boy, they canceled the NBA season. And this thing just went south, right? Just absolutely went south. It was catastrophic today for not only the markets, but for a lot of the stocks and a lot of the everything that's out there. Everything is just, there's no safe haven for this right now. There just seems to be no safe haven except for cash, right? Cash seems to be the only safe place right now in the world. Now the good news is that, when these markets, when these cycles happen, it's good. It's a healthy thing. You guys shouldn't, yes, the health thing is not good for all of us, right? Especially for older people, older people who have underlying conditions. It's bad for, all right? There's no way to put it other than any way that you've got underlying health conditions, you're in that older age category, you're definitely going to be very, very, in a high risk category, right? You're definitely in a very high risk category. Whereas the younger generation, what we're seeing is the younger people, the kids and stuff like that, they're doing really good. They're holding up against it. They're getting the cold. The symptoms aren't as bad. Yes, they're having to go to the hospital. Yes, they're having to go get care, but not as powerful or as life threatening as it is for older people, right? So, with that being said, let's talk about the good stuff, right? The good stuff. Market cycles happen, bear markets, bull markets. This is always a good thing. People are, people are, they freak out and they panic in bear markets. Listen, this is the time that you really can take advantage as anyone, as a younger person, as an older person, to really regroup yourself financially. Take a look at opportunities that are out there that you wouldn't have previously had, like some of these stocks. Oh my Jesus, some of these airline stocks. Holy cow. I mean, falling out of the sky, absolutely no pun intended, right? No pun intended. The good side is we do have support below us in that 3,000, 2,700 range. So that's some of the good news. So some of the good news is we do have a bunch of support that is below us in that, in that deeper range. It's where there's 25. I want to go and let's say 2,500 to 3,000. So there's the good news is we have a lot of support that's stacked down there. And with that being said, it's a great opportunity to buy. You know what I'm saying? It's a great opportunity to buy. And really what I'm trying to do here is, I'm poking at the bear. I'm not going to lie. I'm poking at the bear. I'm going out there, spot buys, 200 point stop losses. I lose it. I put 1,000 out there, lose $200. Meh, trying to find that bottom. The bad news is that bottom does look, and which I would think is an amazing opportunity here, is to try to pick up some crypto in that 2,500 to 3,000 range. I do feel that, listen, I feel that as we get into April and as we get closer to the halving, we're going to have a run. We're going to have a run, right? And that'll be huge for crypto. I think there's a really good opportunity to pick up some Bitcoin at these cheaper rates and hitting in April. And April's really kind of where I'm looking at. I really would like to see a nice little run in April. And I've said that up here, right? April. I think we're going to get a nice little run in April. That's what I'd like to grab onto. And yeah, guys, listen, I'm looking at the Dow. I can't even imagine the Dow futures. This is just what I put up for the Dow today. I would love to see us come all the way back sub 2K. Now we're in this little support area here. If you're watching, there's a lot of little buying going on over here, right? And let me see if I can move this bad boy. Oh, it's locked. There it is. All right, there was a little buy area that was right here, but I would like to see the Dow run all the way back into this 18 low, high mid 18, even pokey down in the 19,000 range. I would love to get this down here. This is where you see a lot of the buying was done before we had this massive run back in 2017. A lot of this was when Trump did get elected. So, this all started when Trump got elected. And then coronavirus and the Chinese have effectively just demolished the market all the way back to 2017 levels. But once again, I look at this as a buying opportunity for you to get in cheap, right? And that's what we should all be looking at this as a positive and not as a negative. Holy Jesus, Lord. Wow. We are sub 4,000 on, what is this? Who is this? Wow. Some of these charts have a sub 4K right now. Right? Some of these charts have a sub 4K right now. And that's really the key. We see that, this played out ugly, and we're down. We're down here to where we're at a point now where it's kind of like, you got to start really considering, we got to start looking at some serious bounce alternative options for bouncing down in this area. And really trying to look back here. This is where all of this first took off, and we are over a 4,000 point drop right now, boys and girls. We've had a 4,000 point drop, right? And I just want to confirm to all of you again, when you rarely get opportunities like this, right? But that doesn't mean that you're going to just jump in and start buying, right? You wait for confirmation. You wait for the blood. Like, when you think it's at its absolute worst is actually when it's at its absolute best. And that's what we all need to just continue to be look for. We need to look for Bitcoin right now. I am looking for that 25 to 2,700, right? Right, that's what I want. Come on, 25 to 2,700. What was that? 20? No, it's actually 3 grand. 3. Right? Come and get it. Right? I really think that I would like to see this hold those supports. Okay? If we get another day and we do fall below the 2,000 mark, I mean, if we do fall down into the 2Ks, I don't even know at that point. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm going to be forced to buy a $2,500 Bitcoin. I am going to be forced to buy some $2,500 Bitcoin. Right? Oh, 2,500. Let me edit that. Edit. I hate editing because then it shows that somebody edited. So what I gotta do is this. There we go. There we go. Okay. And I mean, there's just, I just don't see another, I have to take a chance that deep. I mean, Jesus Lord, right? Even just buying a portion of a Bitcoin down at 2,500 is, I mean, it's just a must, right? It's an absolute must. And because I still feel we're going to get that little run in April. All right. I wish I had something better to tell y'all. Listen, and I don't want to talk about altcoins. I don't want to talk about BNB. I don't want to talk about anything because it is all completely just gone to a whole new level. I mean, there's no reason that we need to go over here and just really look. I mean, Jesus Lord, look at this. I mean, BNB, $8. Litecoin, right? Look, drop here on Litecoin is going to hell. I mean, no. So, look, we held Litecoin, did so good holding on to that 40 level, and it was going for the run and got just wrecked by coronavirus. Right? Oh, poor BTC. Couldn't beat that. Poor LTC, right? LTC versus the virus. Right? Virus 1, LTC 0. Right? I mean, that was just absolute. Oh, dude, the absolute. Look at Link beyond support right now. I mean, getting down there right below support. XRP, same thing. Ethereum, Fulgid. I mean, double-digit Ethereum, people. Double-digit Ethereum. Right? I mean, when did you see? I honestly didn't think we'd go back to double-digit Ethereum. Right? I did not think that we would go back to double-digit Ethereum. I didn't think this would happen. I mean, this is all the way back to prepubescent levels. Right? Where's SV at? God, I don't even want... My SV trade got destroyed at 287. How's I not have SV up here? Let me load my SV chart. Oh, it's this one right here. I don't know why I have Matic. I don't know how I got Matic there. There it is. Damn! Everything just getting destroyed. Oh my God, look at Matic. Whoo! Discounts. Discounts. Coupon. Right? Man, that's it, people. I really think this is an opportunity, and an opportunity for all of us to scoop up some really, really cheap BTC before we can get a nice little run for alt season. You know, other than that, I think we all just need to hold on. Listen, if you're at home, wash your hands, social distancing. Listen, just be smart. That's all it is. I really think that you just have to be smart. I don't think there's any way that we get out of this without literally the entire world getting a taste of the coronavirus. I'm talking 80 to 90% of the world, all of you getting a touch of this coronavirus. A lot of people it's going to affect bad. A lot of people it's not going to affect at all. But I think really one of the most critical things right now for all of you guys, everybody out there, is that, you know, you just have to understand that right now we're trying to buy time until we get a vaccine. Once we have the vaccine, then you're going to be able to immunize people, and the worst of it is going to be over. I feel that we also are going to, and I've heard this from multiple channels and from actual FDA employees, that they are pushing to get the anti-vaccine, to get the vaccine done by August, right? So they're really pushing as hard as they can to get the vaccine. We need to push this into the warmer weather, get people over their regular common colds, and then move on and really, you know, get this damn antivirus, get it out in the millions. Now, I do think whatever company wins the U.S. government contract for the vaccine, they are absolutely going to just explode. And there's 3 companies out there that do not, that are also 3 other companies. I know there's a total of 4 companies that are vying for this. So I know that there's 3 of those companies are just going to absolutely crater. So some really good opportunities sitting out in the markets to play a lot of really good plays with some limited exposure. And listen, the airlines are not going anywhere, people. They're just not, especially the hardcore great ones, right? Like Southwest Airlines. God, anybody know what Southwest Airlines ticker is, right? Anybody know what Southwest Airlines ticker is? Oh, nice, nice. Israel, they're saying Israel has an oral vaccine ready. I love it. I really think that that's what we need right now. We just need to get this vaccine up and running and loaded. Anybody have the ticker for Southwest Airlines? Southwest. Love. Thank you, sir. Yes, thank you very much. You are my hero. Oh, how do we not have... No, cryptocurrency all. Whoa, whoa. Discount on aisle 5. Whew. Damn. Discount on aisle 5. Look at that. And I still think this is going to possibly just keep going. Right? I mean, dude, Southwest Airlines is worth all of the damn money. And this is something wow, that's kind of a nice head and shoulders setup right there, isn't that? Like, that is a nice head and shoulders. I'm sorry. That is a nice head and shoulders play right there. Right? That is still head and shoulders. Wow, with a nice little gap in it. But I really think that things like Southwest Airlines, like these things, these are going to be some really, really good opportunities for us. All right. Listen, I am the Vamp, and I would like to say thank you guys for all you sticking out there. I'm trying to keep these videos short. I will be back on later tonight again, and I am out.